is expected to go back to our various offices, ministries, departments, and parastatals with an open mind, especially about this an inclusive gateway for salary and pension administration for ministries, departments, agencies, as well as our various local governments. We are also expected at the end of this program to be able to clearly and confidently express our views positively and explain to whom it may concern in any situation what this salary issue or software administration of salary is concerned. And probably we are expected at the end of this program to be able to work with both our subordinates and superordinates to be able to permanently bring the issue of salary to what? To an end. Thank you very much. The Secretary to the State Government, Chief of Staff in absentia, the Head of Civil Service, Honorable Commissioners, the Deputy Chief of Staff, Special Advisors, Permanent Secretaries, Chief Executives of Parastatals and Head of Extra Ministerial Departments, resource persons, invited guests, members of the press corps, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me a great pleasure to address you today at the opening of the second day workshop of our honorable commissioners, special advisors, and permanent secretaries on the use of pay solution software for salary administration. I am honored and exclusively delighted to be invited to serve as the chairman of this occasion. There is no gainsaying the fact that the smooth administration of salary is crucial to the successful functioning of any government. The use of modern technology, such as pay solution software, has revolutionized the way we manage our finances, increasing efficiency and reducing errors in salary administration. I therefore commend the offices of the Head of Civil Service and the Accountant General for organizing this workshop, which is aimed at improving our capacity in this vital area. As honorable commissioners, special advisors, and permanent secretaries, you are all aware of lingering challenges that we have inherited on salary administration in our dear state. However, the government under the visionary leadership of His Excellency Senator Bala Mohammed Abdul Qadir, CON, Kawo, Bauchi, Jagaban Katagum, and the Turaki of Ningi, has been working tirelessly, head and tail, to provide solutions to these challenges. Today's workshop, which is focused on the use of pay solution software, is part of our collective effort to address the challenges we have been confronted within the salary administration once and for all. The importance of accuracy in the payment of salary and allowances cannot be emphasized. The ghost workers and other irregularities in the salary administration have been a major issue in previous administrations. leading to a wide range of issues such as corruption, lack of motivation and among civil servants, among other issues. Distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, since coming on board in 2019, the present administration has been working tirelessly to improve the living condition of our people through execution of people's-oriented policies and programs, which cut across all critical sectors of the state's economy. The welfare of our civil servants is also a top priority of the government. Recognizing the important role they play in the delivery of good services to our citizens. There is a need of sanitizing our nominal roll and payroll to get rid of ghost workers so as to make room for the government to recruit teaming unemployed youth, implement promotion and other incentives in the system, thereby improving the human resources in the state civil service. As a government, we are committed to ensuring a transparent and fair salary administration. I want to reiterate here that His Excellency, the Governor, is always worried about the challenges being experienced in the salary administration. The government will not hesitate to deal decisively with whoever is found sabotaging the government in that regard. As key stakeholders in the salary administration, honorable commissioners, special advisors, and permanent secretaries are to make good use of this golden opportunity to acquire the knowledge and necessary skills needed to effectively use the pay solution software in order for you to immediately take over the nominal role and payroll of your respective ministries, departments, agencies, as well as a way of blocking leakages. I once again commend the offices of the head of service and that of the accountant general for organizing this very important workshop, and I assure you of the unwavering support of the state government toward resolving the challenges bedeviling salary administration in our dear state. On this note, it is my honor and privilege to declare the workshop open. I wish you all a very fruitful and rewarding workshop. Thank you and God bless you. I am also directed to call on all the participants, especially the commissioners, the permanent secretaries, and advisors, to please remain here till the end of this program, so that, as I earlier stated, we will be able to know and express ourselves whenever and wherever the issue of salary comes up, for us to be able to defend ourselves as a government and as a representative of His Excellency in your various ministries. Thank you very much and God bless you.
Thank you very much. That was the State of His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Bauchi State, Senator Bala Mohammed Abdul Kadir Bauchi, on the occasion of the two-day training on the salary administration, through his very functional and understanding Deputy Governor, in person of the Right Honorable Awal Mohammed Yato, Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the speech of His Excellency marks the end of the official opening ceremony. But with the permission of His Excellency, as you know, we have not started this occasion earlier than scheduled, but as directed, we will take the first paper, that is overview of the training objectives, before we go on to the two break. That line, with the permission of His Excellency, may I now invite Albashi the Accountant General of Bauchi State, to come and make his first paper presentation. You are welcome, sir. Albashi the Accountant General, overview of the training objectives.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As usual, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor, the SSG, the Head of Civil Service, other top government officials on the high table. I will apologize for my voice because I've been having catarrh, so maybe some of you will not hear me very well. It's actually not a paper, because I was not actually asked to prepare a paper on an overview. But the overview and the background on the pay solution will be presented by one of the resource persons from Dynatech. What I'm only going to say is that we have structured the presentation into two approaches. One approach is the overview, as I was saying, and then the background, which will be presented by Albashi.